Good day, everyone, and welcome to another exciting vocabulary lesson. This is Mr. Stitt, and today we're going to be talking about Week 3 vocabulary. As you can see here, our 6 words are Clad, Piedmont, Rouse, Sedentary, Bruin, and Cumbersome. So, let's get right into it and let's learn what these words mean. Our first word this week is clad, and this is a verb, so it's an action. It's something that you do, and it's the simple or past tense or past participle of clothe. Now, anytime you dress or you put on something, you are becoming clad in that thing. You are cladding yourself or clothing yourself. An antonym would obviously be naked or to not be clothed. Here it is used as an adjective, dressed or covered. So you could be dressed in cotton, you could be dressed in silk, you could be clad in a suit and a tie, a dress. Anything you dress in, you are clad in that thing, just like this picture represents with the wardrobe. Word number 2 this week is Piedmont. Piedmont, and that is a noun, and it's a thing. It's a plateau between the coastal plain and the Appalachian Mountains, including parts of Virginia, North Carolina, South Carolina, Georgia, and Alabama. More specifically, it's like a valley. It's anything at the base of a mountain. So you see these tall mountains here. A Piedmont is the space in between a mountain. So it's the low point of the mountain. It's not the peak of the mountain, it's the low point or the bottom or the valley of the mountain. So Piedmont, the base of a mountain. Rouse is our next word, and that is a verb. It's something you do. You can also say roused or rousing, and it means to bring out of a state of sleep, unconsciousness, inactivity, fancied security, apathy, or depression. He was roused to action by courageous words. Our alarm clock can also rouse us in the morning. Just like this picture, it's when we wake up, when we're brought to attention or action. Number 2, to stir or incite to strong indignation or anger. So anytime somebody kind of agitates you, they are rousing you or making you angry. Word number 3 is sedentary. Sedentary. Now, just like this dog here, it's an adjective. It describes something, and it's characterized by or requiring a sitting posture. So this dog is very sedentary, a sedentary occupation, accustomed to sit or rest a great deal or to take little exercise. Another word for sedentary might be lazy or slow. Something that is not requiring a lot of physical activity is sedentary. Our next word is Bruin. Bruin. Now, as this picture represents, this word is pretty simple. It just means a bear, but especially a European brown bear. So this bear or Bruin is walking on the trail. If you saw a bear or Bruin or baby cub, you might be a little bit scared, but now you know what a Bruin is, a bear. Next, cumbersome. Cumbersome is an adjective. It describes things. It's when something is burdensome or troublesome, unwieldy or clumsy. So just as you can see in this picture, this box is very cumbersome. It's hard to carry, it's difficult to carry, it's very heavy, and this man is having a difficult time carrying it. Anything that's large or bulky or oddly shaped would be said to be cumbersome. Your book bag might be cumbersome. Your suitcase might be cumbersome. Anything that is burdensome or troublesome to carry. Okay, here's a quick review of all of our words. Word number 1, clad, Piedmont, rouse, sedentary, Bruin, and cumbersome. I've also included on this slide a quick paragraph that uses all 6 words correctly. So please take some time to stay here, review this video, review this passage, and thanks so much for joining us. Bye.